Yeah, can you play? Can you show me how you row your boat?
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Your boat gently down, you see? Mary, 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 like this photo. I'm gonna put my whole face underwater. I can swim.
Let me see. That wasn't swimming. Wow. I think that's a new world record. Ew, boogies. All right, you ready?
Daddy, you're singing live. With the ball and without the ball.
Yep.
Wait, Dad, I'm gonna show you this. We go like this. Let's just put down my line. This is really hard. I can actually put my whole face underwater when I glide.
Yeah?
You see? I'm done.
All right. Come on out.